First of all, welcome to our educational panel. I'm Paywan from the MOE Educational TV. Can you talk a little bit about your position and give us some information about yourself, please?
Yes. Thank you for having me in the panel. My name is Teija Vallandingham. I'm a Chief of Education for UNICEF Iraq.
Good, perfect.
Yes.
Do you think holding this kind of event will support the educational sector in Iraq?
Yes, I think so. So firstly, let me congratulate the Ministry of Education in Kurdistan for organizing this event. I know it's the second one.
Yeah.
And I think it's a wonderful way to create partnerships for education sector. Because even today we have seen different education actors coming together. There are experts, there are the policy makers, there are development partners like myself representing UNICEF, there's academia, there are people and young people. So this is really a way to bring people together to discuss the state of education and the challenges and find solutions together.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Based on your experience and also information, as you know, there is a lot of obstacles and also barriers in the sector of education, not just education, in the all sectors in Iraq and also in other countries like Iraq. So holding these kind of the events and selecting the obstacles as barriers can help us to find the solution for our problem. And also, do you think can help the other organizations that they are serving in Iraq to solve our problems?
I think, like I said, it's bringing actors together because the challenges are complicated. And the solutions can be also complicated and exciting. So when you bring actors together, it's really, you have more power in it. And we are talking about learning. This kind of forum, it's a chance to improve inclusive learning opportunities for all children, for all young people in Kurdistan. And in all of Iraq, of course. So this is the thing that, because every child is not learning, every child is not at school, every child is not getting those opportunities. So how do we work together to solve that? And it's 21st century, so we need creative solutions.
Exactly, like adapting the technology and also...
Exactly, yes, exactly. And also finding all those children and young people that are out of the system. I mean, we need to find different modalities to find them, adjust to them. Like early childhood education, one example, the very young children who are prepared just before primary education.
The KG.
The KG. Most children don't get that. They don't get the KG. So how do we find solutions to get them to that? So for example, UNICEF is working with the Ministry of Education on school-based model. So together putting one classroom inside a primary school for 1 year of pre-primary education. So this is one way to create space and opportunities for children. It's just an example, but
exactly based on a research published in the UNICEF website. They said 45 to 55% of the KG students, they are not going to the KG and they start primary school directly.
Exactly. So there's still a very large number of children that are not being prepared, and it's like the foundation. It's the preparedness for future years and for future learning. For primary, for secondary,
cognitive thinking and all these cycles.
So it's a good start for life.
For life, exactly. Do you have any memory you would like to share with us? Anything related to the education? Any memory? Any events you would like to share with us?
Well, this one is my first Kurdistan Education Forum. I was away during the first one, so this one is a good memory, and I see that it's been well organized and it's there's very active participation. from and like I said, the different stakeholders have come together. So it's really exciting. It gives me hope.
Exactly.
Like I said, that to finding opportunities for every child, every young person in Kurdistan, every single child needs that. So we need this. We need all minds together.
Thank you very much. And it was our pleasure to have you in our educational panel for the educational TV related to the
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.